Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make biscuits at home step by step. Preheat oven to 425 degrees F and set a timer to avoid overbaking. Measure flour, baking powder, and salt accurately, then chill your butter. Keep the dough cool and handle it minimally to maintain flakiness. Cut biscuits to 3/4-inch thickness and arrange on a baking sheet spaced evenly for proper browning. Start by combining dry ingredients in a large bowl and tossing to mix evenly. Add cold butter and use a pastry cutter or fingers to create pea-sized pieces. Pour in cold milk a little at a time, stirring until the dough holds together but remains slightly shaggy. Turn the dough onto a floured surface and fold gently to build layers without compressing them too much. Gently pat or roll the dough to an even thickness of about 3/4 inch, using light pressure to keep layers. Cut biscuits straight down without twisting the cutter to preserve rise and place them on the sheet according to desired side texture. Brush tops with melted butter for color, then bake until golden and set, rotating the pan if your oven bakes unevenly to ensure uniform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.